Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our third lecture of our course named Statistical Data Analysis by using Python. We have covered two lectures, and in the first lecture we discussed about what is Python, what is Anaconda Navigator, how to install them, what is the difference between Python and Anaconda Navigator, and how to install and how to get working directories. And in second lecture, we learned about how we can import dataset on Excel, on Python in the form of Excel, and how to install the packages and write a script to import the dataset. And in third lecture, we will discuss about how we can perform different basic analysis to make a scatter plot on the Python, how to write a script and which packages would be required. So guys, before starting the lecture, must subscribe my channel and must support me video, also like video when you watch, and also I have uploaded almost 80% of our course statistical data analysis by using our studio. You can also watch course. So let's start our lecture. So guys, I have opened Jupyter notebook from Anaconda Navigator. How to open I have already told you. Now I will open my working directory that I created by name of Python 1. How to create I have explained already. I will open that and will open this. So guys, so first of all, again I will import the dataset. So before importing the dataset on Jupyter Notebook or Python, I will install the package, and to import the dataset in the form of Excel, we need package that is called pandas. So pipe install in pipe install pandas. Pipe install pandas. This is the script I will run it. Pipe install pandas. Okay guys, now I will write pandas as pd import pandas as pd, import pandas as pd. So here we go guys. So I have imported pandas as pd in the short form. So now I will import dataset pd dot read underscore excel, read underscore excel, and we add bracket and data name ficus dot x file name. I am simply writing file name. You will import your dataset, or you can use ficus dataset to do practice, and we will add inverted commas here after ficus, before ficus, and after xls, and we will run this script. Now you can see that dataset has imported. So guys, in our third step, I will install the package that will be used for analysis to perform the basic, to make the basic plots on the Python, like scatter plot, box plot, line plot, and that is called Seaborn. Pipe install Seaborn. So here we go guys, I will install this, and now guys I am going to give this Seaborn a short name as SNS. So I will write import Seaborn as SNS. So I am going to give this Seaborn name, short name, as SNS. So here we go. So guys, already I say we can give this complete dataset name script to a short form, like I will keep equal ficus equal to this. So now I will not write this complete to import dataset. I will just write ficus and import dataset. I will click here. So here we go. Now guys, what I will do, I will simply now write a script. So in Python, to make the plot like scatter plot or box plot, we will first write the name of the package, and the package name is Seaborn SNS dot. After that, we will write the name of the plot, like scatter plot, then bracket, then data set. Data is equal to, what is the name of data? Ficus. Then mapping, mean x and y axis. X is equal to petal length, and y is equal to sample width. So bracket close, bracket will be close. Yes. Now we will add inverted commas after width and before staple, after length, and sorry, here is single comma. I am going to add inverted comma like this, and before pattern, here we go. We will run the script. This is our script. I will run the script. Here we get a scatter plot. This is guys scatter plot. So this is the script. How we can make the scatter plot on Python. So second thing, how we can give different color, like we give different color in our video by writing the col is equal to CPC. Here we will not write col, we will write hue, H-U-E, this, and equal to CPC, and we'll add inverted commas here and here. So sorry, this is wrong. Inverted comma like that, and we'll run the code. And here we can see that I have get scatter plots in different colors. So this is guys very easy. So must write down this tip in your notes. If you have not watched my previous two videos, must watch. So for example, I want other basic plots, like I want box plot. I will write box plot and will run it. Even you can make any plot you want. Just write down the name box plot. Here we get box plot. So guys, this is simple box plot. So now I want to make a line plot. So I will write a line and run it. So here you can see that guys, I will get line plot on Python. So here we get line plot. We are then just changing one word in the script. So I want points plot. I will run it. So I think it is point, not points. I will change. I will remove as, and we'll run the script and let's see what happened. I remove it and we'll run it. So guys, we will get point plot on Python. So this is guys how we can import a data set. How, here we go. Yes. So this is how guys we can perform different analysis on the Python. How we can make the plots on Python. So guys, in our tomorrow lecture, we will learn how we can perform the basic descriptive statics on the Python. We will learn how we can perform descriptive statics, correlation and other analysis on the Python. Our course will be advanced day by day. Okay guys, so must subscribe my YouTube channel, and still if you not watch my other videos on our studio, must watch and like each and every video, because I am making with hard work and with heart, so that these videos would be fruitful for you guys. Thank you so much. Must subscribe.